Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download APK files on Android TV. Let's begin. First, go to the Play Store on your Android TV and search for a browser. Once you find one, download and install it. It may ask for permissions. Just allow them. After installation, open the browser. Now click on the search bar and search for the APK you want to install. For example, I'm going to download the Gemini APK, so I'll search for it. Once the results appear, open the browser and go to the APK Mirror website. This website is one of the most trusted sources to download APK files. Scroll down and select the version you want to download. Make sure you choose the correct variant based on your Android version. Then click on Download. It may ask for permission. Just click OK. Once the APK file is downloaded, open it and install it. That's how you can download APK files on Android TV. If you want to see your downloaded files, press the back button on your remote and go to the home screen. On the top bar, you'll see a download icon. Click on it to open your download list. Here, you will see all the files you downloaded. As you can see, here is the file we downloaded. Just click on it to install. Another method is to use the Downloader app to download APK files. I've already made a video on how to install the Downloader app on your smart TV. You can check that out as well. The link is in the description. So that's it. Thanks for watching.